Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the electric vehicle world. Today, we're talking about a major change that could impact your wallet when it comes to buying an EV. As you may know, the federal tax credit for electric vehicles has been around since 2010, offering up to $7,500 for new models and up to $4,000 for used ones. But now, President Trump's administration is considering eliminating this program as part of their Unleashing American Energy plan. So, what does this mean for you? Well, the requirements for EVs to qualify for the tax credit have gotten stricter over the years. For 2025, vehicles must have a battery assembly percentage of at least 60% assembled in North America and critical minerals sourced from countries with free trade agreements with the USA. That's right, folks. If you're planning to buy an EV, you'll need to do some research to see which models meet these criteria. The list of eligible vehicles has changed significantly over the years, and it's not just about the make and model of the car. You'll also need to consider where the battery pack was assembled and what kind of minerals were used. Now let's talk about some examples of EVs that do qualify for the tax credit in 2025. The Kia EV6 and EV9 are additions to the list this year, while others like the Audi Q5 PHEV and Nissan Leaf have been dropped due to stricter requirements. It's worth noting that the U.S. government has a website, fueleconomy.gov, where you can find the most up-to-date information on eligible vehicles. But what about used EVs? If you're in the market for a pre-owned electric vehicle, the good news is that the tax credit amounting to 30% of the sale price is still available. However, there are some important caveats. The vehicle must have a gross vehicle weight rating of less than 14,000 pounds and be purchased from a qualified dealer. The U.S. government defines what constitutes a used EV as a car with a model year at least 2 years older than the year it was purchased. And, just like new EVs, used ones must have a battery pack capacity of at least 7 kWh. So if you're shopping for a used EV on Craigslist, that might not be your best bet. Now let's talk about how to claim the tax credit when purchasing a new or used EV. You can file Form 8936 with your tax return, which will lower your tax liability by the same value as the credit. However, keep in mind that it's a non-refundable credit, meaning you can only apply it in the same year you took delivery. Alternatively, you can transfer the credit to an eligible dealership instead of claiming it on your tax return. This approach is appealing because the dealer should then lower the final cost of the car by the corresponding credit amount, resulting in an immediate benefit. So, there you have it, folks. The federal tax credit for electric vehicles may be changing, but there's still plenty of options available. We'll continue to monitor these changes and bring you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for today on ElectroDrive News.